Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our fun English podcast. I'm Anna.
And I am Mr. B. And today I will tell you everything about my day. Yes, my full daily routine, from waking up to going to bed.
Okay, wait. Before we start learning, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, please do it now. Your like helps many English learners.
And your comment makes us happy. And your subscribe makes Mr. B dance.
Oh yes, I dance when people subscribe. Maybe today I will do 2 dances.
Okay, Mr. B, let's begin. Tell us, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
Wow, 6 a.m. That is early.
Yes, but I don't stand up at 6. I open my eyes at 6. I stand up at, maybe 6:10.
Yes, the classic. Wake up at 6, stand up at 6:10. Start life at 6:30.
Exactly. When I wake up, I feel sleepy. So I lie in my bed and look at the ceiling, and I say, "Why is morning so fast?"
That's a good sentence for learners. I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:10.
Yes, very useful English.
So after you wake up, what do you do?
I sit on my bed and I stretch. I stretch my arms, I stretch my neck, I stretch my brain.
Stretch your brain?
Yes, I do this. It helps me wake up.
Okay, that is a new exercise. Maybe I will try it tomorrow. Okay, what next?
I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth. Very simple.
How long do you brush your teeth?
Around 2 minutes. Sometimes 3 minutes if I feel like a dentist.
Good English phrase. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
Next, I wash my face. Cold water, very cold water. So cold I say, "Ah!"
Yes, cold water in the morning is like a surprise.
After that, I take a shower. A quick shower. Hot water, very hot, like a small sauna.
Ah, nice. So clean, so fresh, so new. Mr. B version 2.0.
After shower, I get dressed. I choose my clothes. I always choose simple clothes. T-shirt, pants, and socks that do not match.
Why not match?
It's my style. Left sock is red. Right sock is blue. I am modern art.
Okay, Picasso. So, Mr. B, what do you eat for breakfast?
Breakfast. My favorite time. I usually eat eggs, sometimes bread, sometimes fruit.
Healthy.
Yes, but sometimes, if I feel lazy, I eat cookies.
Cookies? For breakfast?
Yes, don't judge me. They taste good. They make me happy. Happy Mr. B equals good podcast.
Okay, fair.
Then I drink coffee. Coffee is my magic water. Without coffee, I am like a slow robot.
Coffee is your power-up.
Yes, level up coffee.
So, after breakfast, what do you do?
I start my work. I check messages. I reply to students. I check my English lessons, and I plan videos.
You work a lot.
True, but I enjoy it. Sometimes in the morning, I record videos. I turn on the camera, I test the microphone, and I say, "Hello, everyone. Welcome back." Many times.
Yes. Behind every video, there are 20 "Hello, everyone" versions. Do you take breaks?
Yes. At 10 a.m., I take a small break. I drink water. I stretch again. And sometimes I dance for 10 seconds.
Dance break. That is perfect.
After break,
I study a little. I read books. I learn new things. I practice new teaching ideas.
Every day?
Yes, even 15 minutes is good.
Okay. Next, lunch. What do you eat?
For lunch, I like rice. Sometimes chicken, sometimes noodles, sometimes salad, sometimes everything.
Everything?
I get hungry. After lunch, I take a walk. A short walk. 10 to 15 minutes.
Good for health.
Yes, fresh air, move the body. Also, avoid falling asleep after lunch. Then I work again. Edit videos, prepare lessons, talk to students. Sometimes I write scripts for podcasts, like this one.
We love your scripts.
Thank you.
Do you eat snacks?
Yes. At 3 p.m., snack time, fruit, nuts, or chocolate.
Chocolate again?
Yes, chocolate makes work happy. Around 4 p.m., I relax a little. I sit on my sofa. I close my eyes. I do not sleep. I only think about sleeping.
That is very deep. Very philosophical.
At 5 p.m., I exercise. I run. Or I do push-ups. Or I do simple workouts.
How many push-ups?
5. But very strong 5. After exercise, I take another shower. Now cold shower. Cold like ice. I say, again!
You and cold water, always drama. Okay, Mr. B, let's talk dinner.
Dinner is simple. I eat soup, or vegetables, or rice. Sometimes I cook.
Are you a good cook?
No, but I am a happy cook. After dinner, I relax. I watch videos, I listen to music, I read, or I talk to my family.
That sounds nice.
Sometimes I work a little more at night. Just 20 minutes. Check messages, plan tomorrow.
Very organized.
At 9:30 p.m., I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I change into pajamas.
What color pajamas?
Blue. Always blue. Blue makes me sleepy. In bed, I read for 10 minutes. A simple book. And then I turn off the light. I close my eyes. And I say, "Good night, world."
Oh, that's very sweet.
Sometimes I fall asleep fast. Sometimes slow. Sometimes I think about breakfast.
Let's help our learners with quick vocabulary review.
Great idea.
Wake up. Get up. Brush teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Work. Take a break. Have lunch. Take a walk. Relax. Exercise. Take a shower. Eat dinner. Read. Go to bed. Sleep.
Perfect daily routine words.
Mr. B, that was a full day. Are you tired?
Yes, I need a nap now.
But it's morning.
Exactly. Perfect time for a nap.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Yes, thank you so much. I hope my daily routine helps you learn new English.
And remember,
Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and have a beautiful day.
bye-bye.